Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at the new Microsoft Edit text editor for Command Prompt and PowerShell. So Microsoft has released Edit as a new open source project, and it is a tiny CLI text editor that allows you to do basic tasks with text. And yes, it works on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. Okay, let's dive right into it. But before, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It is free and really helps to support the channel and my work. Also, check out my website for more tutorials and related tech news. Okay, first, let's look at how to install the Edit tool on your computer. Yes, you can use the package available on GitHub, but there is an easier way to do this. So first, open Start and look for the terminal or Command Prompt. Run this as an administrator. And the only thing that we have to do is just to use the winget install with the ID of Microsoft.edit command, and then press enter. And that's it. The command also created an alias, so we can use edit as a global command, so we can invoke the text editor from any location while we're in Command Prompt or PowerShell. And now to launch the text editor, just type edit and press enter. And that's it. So if you are on PowerShell, you can do the same thing. Type edit and press enter. Remember that the app is still a work in progress. So as you can see on PowerShell, the color scheme doesn't look quite right. Now the text editor also supports working with the mouse. So we can just go to File, and then we can just open a file from a location. So right now I'm just going to go to users, my user account, and then I'm going to go to this directory, and then I'm going to select this, and here you can just double click it to open it. So another way that you can open the text file using the Edit app is by going to the location where that file is located. For example, let's do a cd, and I'm going to go to this path, and then I'm going to do a dir command to view the files, and then I can see right here that I have the text file. So to open that text file, we can just type edit my text.txt and then press enter. So this is a very basic tool. So from the file menu, we can create a new file, open a new file, or just save the changes that we made to a specific file. You can also close the editor. Now the edit menu includes your basic tasks, including undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, and there is a find and replace. So if we select the replace option, so we can type at the top what we want to find, let's say options, and then on replace, we can type what we want to use to replace a specific search. And let's just say settings. So here we can choose some different settings such as match case, the whole word, and other options as well. And then to perform the replace, just press enter. And as you can see, we can always use the escape key to exit a specific setting. And then from the view menu, we can enable or disable the word wrap feature, the Alt+C keyboard shortcut. And then there is the about page that will tell you the version of the Microsoft Edit installation. And that's it. There is nothing special about this app. It is just a convenient and simple text editor that the company has created because of the lack of such an editor for the command line interface. Since it is an open source project, anyone can grab the source code from GitHub and modify and improve it. Although you have to install it manually, the company has noted that the Edit app will be rolling out soon, starting with devices and the Windows Insider program in the coming months. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about this application and if you're going to be using it. Remember to like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.